Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an oxygen tank to a regulator. First, always ensure your oxygen tank is secured upright to prevent it from falling. Before connecting anything, carefully inspect both the tank valve and the regulator for any signs of damage or debris. It's crucial to confirm that your regulator is specifically designed and compatible with your oxygen tank type. Now, let's prepare the tank for connection. Point the tank valve away from yourself and others, then briefly open and quickly close the tank valve. This quick burst of oxygen helps to clear any dust or debris from the valve opening, ensuring a clean connection. Always double-check that the valve is clean and ready. With the tank prepared, it's time to attach the regulator. Carefully align the regulator's pin with the corresponding opening on the tank valve. Once aligned, hand tighten the regulator's T-handle until it feels secure. If your regulator requires it, use a wrench to gently tighten the connection, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. For the final steps, slowly open the tank valve all the way. Listen and feel for any hissing sounds, which indicate a leak. You can also use a soapy water solution to check for bubbles around the connection. Once confirmed leak-free, adjust the flow rate to your prescribed setting. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.